All right, here we are doing a walkthrough of Seasons Unit 603, which is on the market. This is a virtual showing we like to do so we can get people that maybe can't get here over the weekend a chance to take a look at the condo. There's plenty of parking. The spaces are not assigned, but it's ample. And this is in building 600. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's a really good floor plan. I want to get a chance to show you. I've been in a lot of these units. We've done a lot of business here with folks, and this particular property has a really spacious plan. See my reflection as we come in. Okay, so as we walk into the unit, you can see here really tall ceilings and really spacious. Right off the bat, it's a big entrance foyer, and a lot of condos don't have this feel. The Seasons was developed the early 2000s in really well done development, maybe just a little bit before its time. Right now, these units are very popular, and I'm going to come back around to kind of give you a look at the whole kitchen. So as you can see, you've got this little bar area that you can put stools. Window over the kitchen sink, looking out, bringing in lots of good light. And again, I want to make note of high ceilings. This is what I really think is great about the living space. Look at these huge windows going out to a big, nice private back porch. And look at the size of this room. Wood floors. As we step back again, you can see there's a bar in the left-hand corner. But this is a massive space, a lot of living space, a lot of entertaining space if you wanted to. As we come in here, you can even see this is a nice large sectional furniture, sectional couch here that frankly can be included in the sale. Our asking price is going to be $299.9. However, if someone does want to include furniture, we will make that $305. Let's back away, let you get a shot of the wet bar. Now, one of the things that is really great about this one is this back porch. It's going to make a little noise as we go out, but you've got to see the space that we have on this porch. This is an open area where you could put a grill, but if you look here, look at this excellent space. Big windows. And the Seasons has so much wooded area, it just feels like you're out here in nature. And right there is the University of Georgia South Campus, East Campus Road and College Station Road right there. So you're right in the heart of Athens, but you've just got this nice, wonderful little area on the back porch. We'll finish the video as we go in, and we'll get you a look at the bedrooms upstairs. As I mentioned before, this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Half bath downstairs. And then we'll go up the stairs. Finish the video, keep it under 5 minutes. Carpets have just been cleaned. As you come here, you can see you've got another large landing area. Washer and dryer will be included. This is the secondary bedroom with this closet right there. So turn around, you can see you've got a good bright space. Take a look at this bath. There you go. Now we'll finish in the owner's suite. The carpet is actually nice. It's in good shape. Also helps with noise downstairs. Get a look at the closet. So you can see that's ample closet space. And we'll finish it with taking a look at me in the mirror probably. So here we go. You've got the shower and the washroom. Me in the mirror. Garden tub. And that's it. 310 Research Drive, Unit 603, $299.9. Getting it on the market. This is our virtual showing for the unit.